Hi, I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a peanut butter banana pinwheel. In order to make this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 large tortilla wrap, 1 peeled banana, and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. This recipe is super simple and great for kids. To start off, we're going to take our peanut butter and spread it over the tortilla shell evenly. Then we're going to place our banana in the middle and roll it up.
Oh, snap.
Once you've finished wrapping the banana in the tortilla shell, we're then going to cut 6 slices to make the pinwheels. These pinwheels are not only a fun treat for your kids, but they're also a healthy snack for your next get-together. I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and that's how you create a peanut butter banana pinwheel.